Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel behind the scenes.
Today we're going to do something that you could do at home. So if your family drinks milk out of a plastic container, or you know someone who does, or sometimes juice comes in this, but something with a handle like this, you can make a mask that you can hang up in your house.
Oh, Miss Kate, where did you get that mask?
Well, this mask was made by one of my own children in our first year of Alameda Arts. So I borrowed it from him, but it's made. I'll show you how to make it. So first you take a plastic jug like this, and clean it really well if it had milk in it. Otherwise it's kind of stinky. And then we're going to cut it right down the side. So you may need to ask a grown-up for help. But we're going to cut it right in half. Our friend Armand just came by. He's outside. Oh, and there's his sister, Emma Ev. So, now...
There's everyone in Alameda if they're under 10.
Pretty much, I think. Okay, so now we have this piece like this. And now it just looks sort of plain, but I'm going to take some masking tape and cover the whole thing with masking tape.
Does that take
all the way
long
around?
time?
And not really. It takes some time. It takes a little bit of patience is really what it takes.
Yeah.
But I'm going to cover it. So now I'm going to keep working. So now this one is all covered. It's cut a little strangely, but it's okay. I did not cut this one. I don't know who did. But now we're going to take it and we're going to paint this. So we're going to add some paint to it. And the first thing we want to do is just add a base color and then come back after it's dried. And then you can add on facial features like eyes and a mouth and whatnot like that. But the masking tape is made of paper, so it can take the paint.
Oh, interesting.
That's why it works.
And what kind of paint are you using, Miss Kate?
So this is Tempera paint. And I know that because it's in this container, because that's what I pour them in. And I would paint the whole thing and then let it dry. So I'm going to put this aside right now and show you the next part.
Could you use acrylic, Miss Kate?
You could use acrylic, sure. Whatever you have. Tempera or acrylic, both of them work. This is done with Tempera paint. When it was done, when the blue was dry, then my son added the eyes and then painted down the nose, added a mouth with, I don't know what this is, like some crazy teeth sticking out or something. And when it was completely dry, we put a piece of yarn through, this is where the...
Oh, you laced it through the handle.
Yes, so where the handle was, which is now the nose, we put a piece of yarn through, pulled it, and tied it into a knot, and then we can put it up on a hook in your house. Wow. Now you could also decorate it more if you wanted to. So for instance, we have all these feathers. So maybe we'd want to add some feathers. I don't know, maybe he has a mustache. I could actually cut this off and turn this into a mustache.
Mm-hmm. Or you could have it coming out of the top of his head, too.
It could come out of the top of his head like some hair, or maybe he's a bird now, and so you're going to do that. I don't know. I'm just going to make this into a mustache because it's fun.
Art, Miss Kate, isn't it? You can just go whatever direction you like.
Yes. Oh, that's kind of funny, don't you think?
I like that.
Or maybe you're going to add some hair with yarn or feathers. Yeah, we could make it so he's got some nice long hair if we wanted to. We could do all sorts of things. But this is the mask we're making. And when it's all done, I'm going to hang it up to dry. And then we'll have it on display.
Yay.
All right, thanks everyone. Remember, just a milk jug and some tape and paint. All right, we'll see you next time.
If you like this video, you could follow us on Instagram at Alameda Arts Fun. You can also check out our webpage, which is alamedaarts.com.
Yes.
Or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel.
That is absolutely correct. All right, we'll see you next time,
Thanks
everyone.
for joining us.
Bye.
Bye.